All right, in this lesson, I'm going to show you how to integrate Manychat with Kit, so that if you have a Kit account where you send emails to your audiences, or you're sending your audiences off of Manychat to your personal newsletter where you send stuff and you promote your digital products, this is how you're integrating it. This is Manychat. The first thing you want to do is go to settings, and you have here integrations. If you scroll down, you have ConvertKit. You firstly need to create an account for Manychat, and I gave you the link, or you can find it here in the under this video. And you have to have a Kit account. So first thing, step 1, ConvertKit is saying Convert is an email marketing blah, blah, blah. You'll need to get the API secret from your ConvertKit account to set up integration. Good. I'm gonna go to my Kit account. On the right side, you have settings. You click on settings. Then you scroll on the left side. You go to developer. And here you have API secret, v3 API secret. You're gonna click on show. You're gonna copy it because that's what's saying ConvertKit that it needs. API secret. You paste it here. Connect ConvertKit account. Step 2, set email field. And it's finalized. Because you want to link the system field from Manychat to a field that is in ConvertKit, and that's all you need to do. And then here, in order to do more, you're going to have, and for this, you're going to need to pay for a subscription for Kit, just so you know. You want to have visual automations, and you want to have sequences. Like, if you have a sequence, you will create, let's see what it is, 40 ways in 40 days. This one. So you have a sequence of mails that you'll be sending. You firstly write the emails in the sequence for 7 days, let's say. You're going to teach them to do something in 7 days so that you have them as a free lead magnet. You're going to do the sequence, you're going to write the emails about that specific thing. From the 3rd, 4th day on, you start promoting your digital product that is related what you're currently teaching them. And then you want to go into automate. You want to go to visual automates. You want to create a new automation. And here, the first edit step will be to connect when a subscriber joins this specific one, and you're going to link it in Manychat when they're giving you the email to send them to be connected to this form. Then when they're connected to this form, you're going to add the subscriber to the welcome email sequence where you're going to welcome them. You're going to have one standard email like this before the sequence where you present yourself, say what you're doing, what to expect, a little bit more about you. And then you're adding them to the sequence where they start receiving those 7 days. And that's it. In Manychat, you do that by going to automation. You're going to have this specific one. Magnet, content slot. We're going to have this specific one. And you can see that at this step, after you grab the email, I'm doing an action where I'm adding them. It's automation. You have the step where here, you're grabbing the email, then you're adding them to a form. And by doing this, you're going to do it like this. Convert. You're going to go to ConvertKit. It will show up here because you integrated it. Add contact to a form. To ask you email, you're going to link email to what form. This is the form that you would want to use it. You would need to have a first name in Manychat as a field and a ConvertKit field, first name, so that they match. And then you click save. And when they gave you your email here, they will be added. Let me remove this. I won't save. They will be added to your form, to this form, which translates that they'll be added here to this form. And because they've been added here, the automation will be triggered, and then they'll receive the welcome email, and then they'll be going into the sequence, and then they'll receive the rest of the emails. And then the next step after you added them, or while you added them to the form, you're also having another step here as a condition, another step where you add a tag so that you know where they came from. Like you go to action, you click on it, ConvertKit, add contact, add tag. And what will be the tag name? And you have these tags. You have them in Kit here on the right side where you know where people came from. You can also create a new one here and say test tag. No, you can't create here. You'll need to have a tag here, and then it will show up in Manychat, and then you can add them from Manychat, give them the tag so that Kit also knows where they came from. They're going to be added to the tag, and that's about it. Like for me, I'm adding a tag, let's say for this specific ones, to the people that came from this 30 days in 30 ways, or better said, for the people that will be joining the 2K90 program, this program, I want to give them this, and they receive the tag, so that I know that people that came from Instagram came for this specific program. So when I send emails to promote my program, I'm going to send them only to people that are interested into this, because I don't want to send a blast email to everyone else that won't be interested, and I might just lose their interest and their time because they weren't interested in this program. If I want to grab new people, then I could broadcast to them talking about the product, the program, and if they want to join the waitlist. But that's something else. So that's how you integrate Manychat with Kit. So by now we have Instagram where we create content. From there, with Manychat, you send them some messages, you grab their email, or you send them to your landing page to buy something from you. If you're grabbing their email, you have the whole process automated so that you can grab username, first name, and email and send them to Kit. Once you send them to Kit, you have a sequence that you have created. A sequence meaning these 7 days emails that you'll be sending the person that applied for it. And then from there, they'll be automatically triggered once they are triggered in the from Manychat. So for 7 days, you'll be having some emails that you'll be sending them over. In the second, third, fourth day, whenever you decide, whenever you think like it's ready and you can do it, you start promoting in the emails your digital product that you send them after you build trust with the emails and you show them more and you talk more with them and you spend some more time with them. Usually it's said that it's an average of 1 hour that the person needs to spend with you until they grab their cards out and swipe. So they spend some more time with you. Maybe you build more trust so that when you're sending them again to the webpage from where they could buy, they have more trust and they are more likely to buy from you. So we have everything automated. We have Manychat, Instagram, Kit. Basically, your focus now is only to create as much content as you can, as better as you can, post it out there, and either put people on your wait list, on your email list, either send traffic to your website to sell stuff. So it's autopilot. Everything's like automated. Now, I'm going to show you also how to send eventually an email for testimonials and automate this part as well in the next lesson. Cheers.